welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's
Okay.
a Sunday morning and today me and mom decided to head out for some shopping. Actually, yesterday my friend Pragna went to the mall and she saw some sale going on
And I was like, I need to check out this.
because I'm just a girl. And so today I told my mom that there is a sale going on in the mall and I need to check out. Now I'm all dressed up, ready to head out for some shopping, and I have not eaten anything since the morning, and I'm so hungry right now. Though the rainy season has started, but it's super hot in Mumbai. Like it. Let me give you a quick outfit check. So got this black vest from Zudio men's section, and I've paired it with a blue denim jeans, which is also from Zudio. Yeah, that was the fit check, guys.
Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. Disimular.
There is a sale going on everywhere.
And then I entered H&M as soon as I saw it, and I was looking for a sale. I couldn't find it, and then there I saw the sign sale. Then I saw this pink bodysuit. At first I thought I should buy it, but then I was like, ah. Then I continued more shopping, and this whole section was of basic tees, dresses, just for 200, 300, 400. Actually under 500, everything. My mom was helping me shop, but the outfits she was showing me was literally out of my budget, so I was like, mom, we need to stick to the budget.
This is literally for 600. कितीला आहे? 1000 ने एवढं काय वर्थच नाही वाटत आहे मला. नको 1000 नको. हे कसं वाटतंय 600 ला. चांगलं वाटतंय मला तरी.
Then I continued my shopping, and I was looking for basic tees that I can wear on daily basis. Then my mom left me all alone and went to other store to do her own shopping. Then I went to this other section which was no sale at all zone, and I was like, damn, these prices are going crazy, but the outfits were so good.
Really got so many options and I don't know what to buy. And there is so much of white in my bag. I'm so confused. I need my mom to help me out. But my mom in another store. So I don't know. I'm all alone here. Price does not justify sale. This is fine.
I literally have the exact same dress which I wear as kurti. I got it from Hill Road for just 300, and here they are selling it for like 600. Damn, H&M.
Really sorting out the outfits which I want to buy. But these are the outfits that I don't want to buy.
Helicopter, helicopter.
It's time for some Pet Puja. Mom has ordered this rice chopri. I have ordered butter chicken and butter naan. And it's gonna take some time to arrive and I'm so hungry because I'm done with my shopping. Now I want to do some Pet Puja. Oh, look at the combo. Chole, butter chicken, butter naan, raita and onion. And chutney. Gonna do a taste test. खूप जास्त sweet है but you know, onion is must. It's good for 300 rupees. It's a combo. Let's try chole. Finish this all and get back to you guys. I'm back home with my shopping bag. I did a shopping of about 3000. I went a little overboard with my budget, but it is what it is when girlies head out for shopping. Just don't stick to the budget. Yeah. So I'm gonna give you a quick mini haul of what I bought from H&M. Well, first off, we have is this. I got it for like 200. It is like a basic fit tee. It's in sky blue color. I don't know if you guys can see it. I just love the back. This is the sides, and OMG. So I got this top for like 200. This for 1000. The pockets we have, which I really love, it's just so comfortable, especially during periods. I don't feel like wearing jeans. I don't want those buttons and zips during my periods. I want something which is comfortable and also looks like jeans. So this was the perfect alternative. I think the whole outfit costed me like 1200, so I don't think it's a bad deal because it is comfortable. It's exactly how I wanted it to be. So top we have is this cute balloon top. I don't know what this top is called. The original price of this top is 900 and I got this for like 400. So yeah, it's in beige color. I just love it so much. It's cute. I'm not gonna wear it, guys. If you want to see how it fits me, you have to check out the Instagram. Yeah. Next up we have is this white tee. It is very soft. Yeah, it fits me so good. It has cute buttons here. Can you see it? And I just love it. You can just tuck in your jeans and you can wear it. I got this for like 300. The original price is 700. So this one is my favorite, to be honest. This is a tank top situation and it has a cute bow on it, very pink and dark blue stripes on it. It has this lace work which is so cute. This is brown grayish color. I'm very bad with colors, guys. But this is also a tank top. There is no thanda mausam in Mumbai. If you live in Mumbai, you know how the climate is. So I think these are the best options for me to wear all year long. So last but not the least, I have this basic white tee I got for 300. If you go to Hill Road, there are such tops, but I think those tops are way too crop. And for my body type, I feel like this is the perfect length and I'm going for. And yeah, and to be honest, Hill Road is getting too expensive because we Navi Mumbaikars go to Hill Road for cheap options, like to get affordable clothes and trendy outfits. But Mumbai people go to Hill Road and they don't bargain there. They just buy at whatever price the vendor says. Like few people I have seen bargaining. I to bargain like crazy. The Hill Road situation is getting worse. If they don't bargain, there is no use to do street shopping. It's been more than a year since I have went to Hill Road, and because Hill Road used to be my favorite place to shop. Half of my wardrobe used to be of Hill Road when I was in college. It's not anymore. Yeah, this was my whole shopping experience. Everything I got for like was of 3,000. Also, don't forget to watch the haul video on my Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.